10. Best Raya dating app. Alternatives, sites, and apps to try. Are you tired of swiping through endless profiles on the Raya dating app, only to find the same old issues? Lack of meaningful connections and frustrating matches? If so, this video on the 10 best Raya dating app alternatives is just what you need to explore fresh options that can lead to genuine relationships. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. Hinge focuses on building connections through thoughtful prompts and personal interests. It encourages users to engage with each other's profiles, making it easier to spark conversations. 9. Bumble empowers women by allowing them to make the first move. This unique approach helps create a safer and more respectful dating environment. 8. This app curates daily matches based on your preferences, minimizing endless swiping. You get quality matches instead of quantity, making it easier to find meaningful connections. 7. With a robust questionnaire, OkCupid uses your answers to match you with like-minded individuals. The diverse community and inclusive options make it perfect for finding someone special. 6. Tinder remains popular for its straightforward swiping system. While it can be used for casual dating, many find long-term relationships here too. 5. As one of the oldest dating platforms, Match.com has a proven track record of successful matches. Its extensive profiles and search filters help you find exactly what you're looking for. 4. POF offers a large user base and various communication features. It's a great option for those seeking both casual and serious relationships. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now, let's continue. 3. Harmony's compatibility matching system is designed to pair you with people who share your values and interests. This thoughtful approach has led to many lasting relationships. 2. Elite Singles targets professionals looking for serious relationships. The detailed profiles and smart matchmaking algorithm make it easy to connect with someone who shares your ambitions. 1. Swoon. Me is all about genuine connections through engaging video profiles. This innovative approach helps you get to know potential matches better before you even chat. Bonus Her is specifically designed for LGBTQ+ women and non-binary folks. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.